Hey everyone, let's talk some ADA. Let's talk about a possible breakout. We are awaiting that Chang hard fork. All right, now will this be a tailwind? Will this launch us? Well, I'm going to get in this article where an analyst is predicting a 2x breakout after this Chang hard fork. I know historically we have seen some crazy times. We have seen huge gainers when we've had our previous hard fork within Cardano. So I'm going to break all that down for you guys right here on the channel as we currently are recording. However, ADA is at 43.22. It's something where we look into what that means from a percentage standpoint. Essentially flat, down just under 1%. So let's get down into it. Make sure you guys all subscribe down below. Smash that like button as well. And let's get into some Cardano talk. All right. Here's the chart. Here's the trading view. We have flashed momentum up. This was back on July 7th in 2024. We have entered that range that I talked to you guys about a lot. This is where Cardano is comfortable at, right? We talk about 43 cents to around 51. This is that range where I think that we can consolidate nicely in. We have since entered that, since flashing momentum up, and now we have seen some red, but not so much where I'm worried about getting back even lower. So for me, ADA is a long-term play. This is going to continue to be a hold for me. I'm not going to sell at these levels. If anything, if we drop below this third blue line that I drew right here around 39 cents, that's when I look to buy more ADA and accumulate at these discounted prices. Okay, but as always, guys, like I tell you, not financial advice, so always do your own research and due diligence. But I do want to take the time to talk about today's channel sponsor. If you guys do any leverage trading, make sure you use my link down below. Get signed up with Margex today. You can enjoy up to $10,000 in bonuses just by registering and creating an account. There's no KYC. It is a leverage trading platform, very volatile. So make sure Margex is the right decision for you and do your own due diligence. And by all means, after all that, if you want to get started trading with leverage, sign up with Margex using my link down below. All right, but back into ADA, this is kind of what we're looking at. This analyst is suggesting that ADA may 2x after a breakout within this Chang hard fork that is coming about. All right. And this is something where we've seen Bitcoin hit 65K. We have seen Cardano, when the time of this publication was released, we have a 4% rally. And over the last week, Cardano is up 17%. That was when we flashed momentum up on the trading indicator. But now the analyst is suggesting the bulls to lift Cardano by 2x. This is something where we look into what's going to happen. We're gaining some momentum. We're gearing up for more gains. This is that falling triangle, and then boom, that's where we can have this breakout where we can experience levels and get as high as 60, 70 cents. That's coming out from Crypto Fayback. Full disclosure, I did get blown up in a comment because I was using some analysts. These are not my opinions. These are just other analysts. I'm just going to relay them to you guys. You can make your own decisions. I'm not here on YouTube to trash other people. I'm not going to bring anybody down. So if you don't agree with this analyst, then just leave it at that. But this is kind of the content that I'm sharing with you guys. So, kind of make your own judgments. And I'm just going to share with you guys the facts and what's going on. All right, so this is where we've seen since July 8th about a 40% gain. And a lot of people have been saying Cardano's dead, Cardano's dead. But this surge cannot be denied. Now, this has also come amidst some decent trading volume. We've seen that uptick. We know that the Cardano bulls may be targeting some 51 cents. That is the immediate liquidation line, and where the May 2024 highs have also begun. So that's kind of what we're looking at. That's something where you look at the prices. And most importantly, the bulls have confirmed this leg up. So a lot of optimism surrounding Cardano, the Chang hard fork and Voltaire era. That is something that is going to be huge in terms of catalysts. I think that's going to be not necessarily a short-lived buy the rumor, sell the news event, but I do think this is something that can maybe not have a pop, but just continue onwards into the green. All right, so we need to keep that in mind. I think that the benefit coming from Bitcoin hitting 65,000, that's going to be a huge one. I think that's going to be enough to validate kind of this bullishness for Cardano. But ADA is building, right? This is something we've seen a lot of steam. I think that the Chang hard fork, if we do get that push from that catalyst, that's something that I'm going to be keyed in on, hoping to get back to levels 60, 70 cents for ADA. In the beginning of the Voltaire era, that's when governance really takes full circle, and that's where we're going to truly aim to become decentralized within ADA. I think that's going to be a huge thing, because I think a lot of the FUD that comes with Cardano is just solely because Hoskinson and his team have too much of their hands into the cookie jar, if you will. So we'll see what happens. Like I said, guys, I don't have that crystal ball that comes with everything in crypto. Crypto is very volatile. It would not shock me one bit if Cardano got back to $1 very quickly. However, it is crypto. So if we do go down from here, that would not shock me either. But the big news is that the Voltaire era is continuing. Chang hard fork is coming. And now as Cardano looks for this tailwind, kind of have to agree with this analyst. I do see a 2x in the cards. Whether or not we get it in 2024, that is yet to be determined. But with all things going right now, it is very bullish to be around ADA. I think we can hope to put to bed all of the the noise that's out there, the FUD that Cardano's a ghost chain, Cardano's all for nothing, it's a zombie chain, so on and so forth. So that's what I have for you guys in this piece. If you guys can, do me a solid. If you enjoyed this, if you do like crypto content daily, make sure you all subscribe down below. Also, please check out the link I have down below in the description. If you do want to get started trading on leverage, use Margex. My link is down below. Enjoy that bonus that you can claim just by signing up and creating an account today. So thank you all for watching. Appreciate you. Have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you all in the next video. Cheers.